You know, I've come to realize that these days, people realize that certain. No, I've prosecuted only one case before. That is Onebe. To date, we are still in shock. I told the judge that we meet him at midnight. This one was so bitter. How do you accuse me of meeting the state attorneys at midnight? What sort of interest is that?
But now, where is the evidence?
They say from the case, the prosecutor. Yes.
It's like telling a lawyer to leave the case.
But you just have to.
High court, I'll take it. Though I had a matter which off, but it's in the lower court that I will do.
How about Mr. Katumba?
Before, I said something about the date. I need to render my appointment to the Honorable Court. I wasn't around in the morning. My Lord, the reason that Justice Wamala had fixed the matter for his transfer, so we were called upon to the new judge when the matter has been allocated. That took some time.
5 and 6.
Those days are not available to me. On 5th, I'm appearing before your learned brother, Justice Wamala, in Soroti High Court.
Yes, my Lord. Mr. Richard Biruka wrote an opinion to our boss, the DPP, on top of amending the indictment. There are some other issues that we would wish to sort out, but we can't sort them out on our own. We need her guidance. My Lord, unfortunately, she has not been in office. That is why the indictment is not yet ready. But we undertake that upon the next sitting of this court, we shall be ready with the indictment, with the amended indictment. But my Lord, my learned friend, Mr. Chibundo, contests that there is no indictment. My Lord, we have an indictment already on record. We are seeking an adjournment to comply with the directives of this Honorable Court.
Era Kkooti era omuwandiisi wa kkooti agenda okuba ng'afuna zino disclosure oba obujulizi obwaleetebwa oludda oluwaabi buweebwe plido naaliwo n'oweebwa n'abakuwadde ngenda ku z'omwezi 9 ogwokuna omwaka guno temunnayitawo n'omuwaabi wa gavumenti aweereddwa okutuusa nga 5 omwezi ogwokutaano omwaka guno okuba ng'ataddemu ennongoosereza mu mpaaba y'omusango guno. Omusango omuziddwa okutuusa nga 12 omwezi ogwokutaano omwaka guno nenga 13 omwezi ogwokutaano omwaka guno. Serada Mike Wamala Bulo Mugerwa ne Kanyike sindikiddwa okuddayo ku alimanda okutuusa ku olwo nawe Alan Ssewanyana okuyimirwa kukwongezeddwayo okutuusa ku olwo nga 12 omwezi ogwokutaano omwaka guno.
For that matter, we take it that we have no indictment as of now.
Who told you?
The information I'm getting from the clients,
But your clients are not the ones to tell us whether we have an indictment or not.
they have not been served, my lord.
But have you talked to the court to find out? Supposing there is no amendment, would you say there is no indictment?
Court made an order, my lord, that they should make an amendment, and they took an undertaking to amend the indictment within time frame of 2 weeks, which they have not done. Which state have not done. So,
We can say there is no amended indictment.
there is no amended indictment, my lord.
Supposing they want to proceed on
Watch your blood, my lord.
Mr. Chairman, where is the amended?
However, upon being appointed the council on state brief, I have interacted with my clients